Bitcoin hash rate hits record 1.12 BTH/s as network difficulty surges. Will BTC break $117,000? Bitcoin mining. Bitcoin hash rate hits record 1.12 BTH/s as network difficulty surges to 136.04 T, with miners holding reserves at 50-day peak targeting $117,000 breakout. Crypto journalist Hassan. Crypto journalist Hassan. About author. Anas is a crypto-native journalist and SEO writer with over 5 years of writing experience covering blockchain, crypto, DeFi, and emerging tech. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated. September 12, 2025. Bitcoin's hash rate, the network's aggregate computational power, reached a milestone of 1.12 billion TH/s on September 12, according to Bitinfocharts data. The network difficulty, which measures the computational complexity required for miners to discover new blocks on the blockchain, is on track to reach a record peak of 136.04 T. Market analysts now suggest that Bitcoin is positioned to overcome its 3-week-long resistance level at $117,000. Record Bitcoin hash rate and Fed rate cut could trigger $117,000 breakout. An increasing hash rate shows increased computational resources being allocated to Bitcoin mining. This typically reflects increased miner confidence, as they essentially bet that Bitcoin's future valuation will warrant their hardware and energy costs, and it also rises proportionally with the hash rate. According to CoinWars, the upcoming difficulty adjustment is projected for September 18, 2025, with current estimates indicating a 6.38% increase to 136.04 T. With the Federal Reserve's highly anticipated rate decision scheduled for September 17 and risk-on markets anticipating a 25 basis point reduction, investor sentiment on a Bitcoin $117,000 breakout now leans optimistic. This perspective aligns with miner reserves climbing to a 50-day peak of 1.808 million BTC on September 9, according to CryptoQuant data, suggesting miners are maintaining their holdings rather than liquidating. Similarly, crypto analyst Avocado Onchain identifies a fundamental shift in mining behavior and Bitcoin network resilience. Examining the Miners Position Index, MPI, spikes have historically emerged under two conditions, which are pre-halving periods when miners tactically reduce holdings, and late bull market phases when they sell aggressively into fresh retail capital. The present cycle shows a contrasting pattern, although some pre-halving distribution is obvious, as the intense late-cycle liquidations remain notably absent. This shows that ETF inflows and Bitcoin's adoption as a strategic treasury asset by major economies may be reshaping mining strategies. They seem to be transitioning from short-term liquidation toward long-term accumulation. The analyst further emphasizes that mining difficulty has achieved an all-time high, with its growth trajectory forming the characteristic banana zone of steep increases. Bitcoin technical analysis. Bulls challenge $117,000 resistance wall. Bitcoin analysts have identified $117,200 as the key resistance level for the price to overcome, which corresponds with a CME gap. Should BTC decisively reclaim this threshold, pathways toward new all-time highs above $124,000 would emerge. In the event of rejection, BTC could retreat to monthly lows with liquidity concentrations around the $108,000 to $112,000 range. The FOMC meeting approaches next week, with a 25 basis point rate cut anticipated. Market direction will hinge on Powell's commentary and the Fed's perspective on inflation and employment metrics. If Powell emphasizes inflation concerns, BTC might decline to test the $112,000 liquidity zone. From a technical perspective, the Bitcoin 4-hour chart displays price recovering within a trading range following several unsuccessful attempts to sustain levels above the $119,000 resistance area. The wedge formation that previously supported the upward trend has now deteriorated, with repeated false breakouts confirming selling pressure at elevated levels. The price currently trades around $115,400, which is near the range's upper limit, where resistance has historically prompted corrections. With support established around $107,700, the chart indicates a probable rejection at current levels, favoring a decline toward the range's lower boundary unless buyers achieve a convincing breakout above $119,000. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics price predictions. New ChatGPT predicts the price of XRP, Pepe and Solana by the end of 2025. Google's Gemini AI predicts the price of XRP, Dogecoin and Cardano by the end of 2025. Crypto price prediction today, September 12th. XRP, Cardano, Ethereum Shiba Inu price prediction. Millionaire crypto trader predicts parabolic meme coin boom, $1 just the start for SHIB. From ChatGPT to autonomy, AI agents reshape crypto trading overnight. Price analysis. China's DeepSeek AI predicts the price of XRP, Ethereum and Picoin by the end of 2025. September 6, 2025. By Ahmed Balaha. Price analysis. China's DeepSeek AI predicts the price of XRP, Picoin and Solana by the end of 2025. 9 hours ago. By Tim Hackey. Price analysis. Dogecoin price prediction. ETF launch could spark meme supercycle. Will Doge be the first to fly? 10 hours ago. By Alejandro Arich. Best crypto to buy now in September 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 3 days ago. By Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in September 2025. Top new crypto coins. 21 hours ago. By Inesis Tavares. 11 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. 21 hours ago. By Alan Draper. 15 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in September 2025. 3 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. 14 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 2 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. What is the next crypto to explode in 2025? 3 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 17 minutes ago. By Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 29, 2025. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. 1 day ago. By Ben Beto.